Hello, so my name is Akisha Prashabani, and today we'll be connecting Amazon EC2 using Microsoft Remote Desktop. So to do this remote connection, we are going to be making an EC2 instance first. So I have my Learner Lab already logged in and open, which is over here, and I'll just be clicking EC2 instances, launch instance. There, and I'm gonna be calling it, so I'll start with my initials, Akisha Prashabani, so APB Windows Remote Machine, and we have to use Microsoft Windows Server 2019 as the base, which we'll be changing. Windows. It's just loading. Microsoft Windows Server 2019 base. There. So it's a free tier eligible. There, we have that. For the instance type, it wasn't really specified, so we just keep it as is. For the key pair, we were tasked to create a new key pair. So we are going to be creating one. Create new key pair. So again, my initials, APB remote key. So that's RSA, and we're going to create the key pair. There, so it's now saved into our device. So I'll just keep that because we're going to be using that in a bit. So there. Now that we have the key pair and everything we need for the EC2 instance, we can launch the instance. You just have to go down and launch instance. There, we can now see the instance and it is running already. But the status check is still initializing, so while we wait, we can get the public DNS username and password first. So to do that, we go to Actions, Security, Get Windows Password. Okay, so the password is not yet available. It tells us that we have to wait for at least 4 minutes, which we will be doing right now. Okay, so after a few minutes, we already have the ability to get the Windows password. So here we go. So if remember, we have the downloaded private key file earlier, which we'll be uploading right now. Here it is, APB remote key, open. Okay, so there we have the private key contents that we'll be decrypting. To decrypt password, our username is administrator, so these information will be saved in my notepad so that I can have them at all times saved. There, and the password is copied and paste. There we go. Okay. Okay, so now that we have the information, let's check the next steps. Okay, so since the instance is already up and running, we can connect RDP client. We'll be downloading our remote desktop file. So you're just gonna be clicking that for the connection. There we have it. Show details. Connect. Okay, so now we are being prompted to give our password. So they have the username, which is the administrator, and the password, which is copied and pasted. Okay. Yes. They're gonna be connecting now. Okay. So now we have successfully connected Amazon EC2 using Microsoft Remote Desktop. So I think that is all for today. Thank you so much and God bless.